Okay, this is a Tesla stock chart. If we see in daily frame, it is in uptrend. It gave almost 81% return in just April, May, 2 months. That's a huge. So we can see here profit booking because there are in weekly chart it it is facing the resistance, and if we check the Fibonacci, it is facing a 0.5 fib level. So it is giving rejection. I found one setup in hourly chart. There is clearly we can see this head and shoulder pattern here. This head and shoulder pattern. We are taking before the break because yes, it is in uptrend, so it can give us fake breakout, then go back again, and then it can fall further. So currently we are at a very good trading spot. If we can see here the price action, it face resistance, it break out, then came back again, then break down, then facing resistance again. So it is very good trading spot. Our first objective is to find trading spot, and then if we see in 1 hour, it is downtrend forming. So we are trading with trend. So two reason trend, the trading spot. Third reason pattern. Fourth reason is a breakout, and a fifth reason is fib. If we see 0.5 rejection, it is in middle. It's not a very good reason for 0.5 because it is in middle. But still, there are many other reasons, so we can try this. There is one other reason is trend line. This if we follow this trend line, it is giving rejection. So if we trade here at current level, stop loss will be at uh, wait, yes, at 262.2830 stop loss, and our target will be low of this candle. So it is 1.5 RR ratio. Target is 248.02. It can give a breakdown here and trap people for short and came back again and then fall again, or may just go down. But here RR is good, reasons are good, so we can trade for short 2450. The current level is 256.54. So around that level we can short SL 262 and target 248. So that's it for today. See you in next video.